Secretary sir, you sure you don't give them promotion? Jungi, stop honestly. Jungi Hana, when I said I don't, why are you asking me the same question again and again? Hana, sorry sir, actually they are really good at their work. That's why Jungi. I know how much they are good. You guys think I don't know what is happening in my office, and it's all your biggest mistake. I know everything, so be careful doing all this from next time. From doing all this, he said in cold voice and go in his office. Hannah, sign Hannah. I will. You think he don't know surgeon is my. Otherwise, he don't waste time. Himi and also surgeon. She roll her eyes and go in his cabin. So tell him his schedule. Okay, so guys, he's Min Yoongi, CEO of the Min industry. He get the award. He get the award of the everyone present in the meeting room, and Yoongi come. He sit on his chair. Everyone bow at Jim. Yoongi start the meeting now. Hannah sir, we talk with the principal of the Seoul University. Some students want to do internship, and their principal is ready to uh, send them here. Yoongi, what's the mark? What the marks of the students? Marks of the students, Hana, three are toppers and other also have 90% marks. Yungi, I understand Hana. So sir, if you said we call them there tomorrow, we call them here tomorrow. Yungi, take their interview. Yungi, anything else? Employee, yes sir, Mr. Jan called us. He want to meet you. He said, we tell him if you are free. Yungi, said Jim, come. I am free for now. Employee, yes sir. Yungi, anything else? Guys, you employee, no. Two boys sit on the couch and one is making the dinner. Yon, guys, at least help me. Tay Jimin, go and help him. Jimin, why I do? You didn't do anything from morning. Go and help him. Tay about to speak. Yoon, you both stay silent and watch your movie. I can do by myself. They both giggle and again start to watch movie. And then they see a email. Tay, wait. Let me open the mail. They open the mail. It's from Min Industry. Tay Jimin. Tay is Sweden. Jimin, what happened? Tay, they call us for interview tomorrow. Yun, Jimin, what? Tay, yes. See the mail. Jimin, oh my, what we do now? Yun, I'm so nervous. Tay, seriously, guys, I'm so happy and also excited. Jimin, you didn't hear what about the boss? Hi, it's so cold and today, so we just do internship. We don't have any link with boss Jimin, right? But still, I am a little bit nervous, and I am interview preparations. They all nodded and start to do the dinner. Everyone is in the meeting room. Yawn, guys. I'm so nervous. Jimin, don't make me also yawn like you are not. Jimin, shut up, yawn. Jimin, Tay, I'm just waiting for someone handsome man. Jimin, Tay, what I do with you? Tay, nothing. You just stay silent and let me do my work. Jimin roll his eyes, and then secretary enter in the room. Hana, so you all are selected, and Mr. Min want you to start to do work. Jimin, from now, Hana, any problem? Jimin, Sana, no. Jimin, no, I don't have. Hana, she roll her eyes. Say how much attitude she have. Yoon, she's Mr. Min's secretary. She have to. So what chance she is secretary? She show us attitude. If she continue this, then I tell Mr. Man everything. He said, and Jimmy really want to hit him, but he didn't do anything. And he sit on their chairs and start to do their work. Secretary talking secretary telling them, and they start it's not that much difficult. It's a start, bro. See what happen in future. Just sorry, Jimin sign and they all do their work, and then the door open. They see a man and stand up. Relax, guys. I am not CEO, so I am Jun Jungkook. She heard the name, his eyes widened. JK, I teach you everything, students, sir. If you don't mind, may I ask you something? JK, go ahead. Student, you are also CEO, right, of Gen Inter. Jungkook, yes, I am a student. Wow, Stay is looking up. JK, give me your introduction. Everyone, they give their introduction. Yun, I am Yun. I recently complete my studies, and I have interest in computer. JK, nice Yun. Sit, Jimin. I am Park Jimin. JK, Park Jimin. Of course, the name is familiar. Jimin, yes, sir. JK, oh, okay, sit down next. It's your turn. Jimin, it's your turn and stand up. They slowly stand up and look at Jungkook, whose eyes is widened. I am Kim Taeyang. JK world stop on his place. He can't believe he's here. How? His eyes stuck on him. JK, any confusion? Jimin Sana's no. JK, okay, so guys, it's lunchtime. You go in the canteen and also feel free now. You have to do work here. Student, thanks, sir. They all go. Jimin, Tae, and Yeon is. Jimin, Tae, and Yeon is alone. JK, and you guys, Jimin, we go after some times, sir. JK nodded. Tae, you both go. I come in 2 minutes. Jimin, where? Jay, listen, me, Jimin, please, he said in low voice, and Jimin nodded. Jimin, Yeon, let's go. They go. And now Tae and Jungkook are alone. Tae intentionally stay here. JK, Tae, he called him, and Tae look at him. Tae, I resign tomorrow. JK, why for me? Tae, I can't stay on the place where you are. Where you are, JK, don't do this, Taeyang. I know it's my mistake, and I already realized my mistake. So please, huh? Tae didn't Tae didn't give him an answer. Have to believe me, Tae. I promise. I give you proof. I tell you, I did nothing. Please, JK, and it's not your mistake also. You do believe me. It's just the situation is like this. I already lose in. I make sure I will not, and you not leave the job, okay? He said, and go from there. Tae sit on the ground, and tears roll from his eyes. Tae, why you come here again? Take him in the canteen and see his friends is waiting for him. He go and sit beside Jimin. Yun, are you okay? Jimin, why you such us? Are you okay? Jimin, why you such us outside Jay? Because I want to talk with him. Jimin, who is he? Jay, he is Jungkook. Jimin, Jungkook, your Jay nodded. Yun, oh my, how it's happened? How he come here? Jay, he's the CEO and maybe Mr. Min friend. That's why he's here. Jimin, now what you do, huh? Tete, what I do? What I don't do anything. I don't do any. What? Huh? Today, once again, my past come and stand in front of me. Jimin, Tay, don't worry, everything become alright. Tay, nothing become alright. Jimin, trust me. He said, and his eyes become teary. Jimin, don't cry, okay? I said, now everything become alright. So don't worry. He said, and Tay nodded. Yun, we are here for work, so we just do our work, nothing else. Tay, yeah, you are right, Yun. Okay. He hold him. Both look into each other's eyes, and then Yun realized his place. He hurriedly stand up. Yun, sorry. I think you have eyes, and your eyes is working perfectly. So please use them. So please use them. Yun, looking down. He don't look up. Yun, sorry, sir. I will be careful from next time. Good for you. And also, you are new here. I didn't see you here before. And I am intern, sir. Oh, I am manager here, Baekhyun. Yun eyes widen. Yun, a manager. Big nodded. Yunbo at him. Yun once again. Sorry, sir. Yun cute. He think and nodded. Big you can go and be careful, okay? And yes, sir. It won't happen again. Excited boy at him. Run from there, big. If I want it's happen again, what you do, huh? And then he go to his office. हाँ, आज तो मेरे पास सिम्बा भी नहीं है, मुझे नींद भी इतनी आ रही है. कोई ऐसा टाइम जिस टाइम मुझे नींद नहीं आती. हाँ, कल से स्टडीज भी स्टार्ट. Yoongi and Jungkook sit on the chair. Yoongi call Baekhyun also and Hana. employ boy at them and go, JK, what you think about the project, Yungi? I call them for project discussion. They come and sit in front of them. Big. You call me, Yungi. We start to work on our new project, big. Okay, and how much members we need, Yungi? We go there. You, me, Jungkook, Hana, and also three interns. They can help us. Hana, so sir, I said to the toppers, they are also three. Yungi, okay, big. Oh, okay. So when we go, Yungi, tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. JK, tomorrow is good. We have to start the work on the project. It's so important, guys. Hana, everything is ready and perfect, sir. If you want, you can check the details. Yungi give me file and he start to read about the project. Yungi, the place is very profitable, JK, yeah, and I decide. I don't know why I don't like her. JK, she is his secretary. Yungi, she is just going for telling me my schedule, nothing else. Don't worry. Big, I tell you your schedule. Said just stay here. Yungi, why you guys her so much? JK, you don't understand. Leave it. And then she come. Hana sir, he's Park Jimin, Kim Chae-young and Chayon. Yoongi eyes fall on Jimin. He like forget everything. Jimin is looking down. He is so nervous. Jungkook look at Yoongi and then Jimin. He understand the situation. He fake up. Yoongi come in the reality. He maintain his cold face. Yoongi sit here. Three of them look at each other and then sit on their seats. Yoongi, so our company is going to start a new project and we want three interns. Hope so you guys do good work. Jay, we will sir. Thank you so much for trusting us and choosing us. Yungin, so tomorrow we go on the place. If you guys have any problem, tell me. Yun, we don't have any. Heard his voice. It's his voice is like a JK, good now. You guys take a leave and do your preparations, Jimin. But still, it's have time to close the office. Yoongi just want to hear his voice. Jungkook, you guys go and start your preparations and yeah, give your best. You miss Hana, you stay here. Hana, what? JK, excuse me. In this way you talk with me, Hana. I am sorry, sir. I am just shocked. Why I stay here? His voice is cold, but Jill look at him and then look into another side. The trio also go. Yoongi, seriously, I am CEO here. Big, you are first our friend, okay? Yoongi, whatever. Now go and do your work. JK, yeah, yeah. You know the boy Kim Chang is much uh Jungi, what really? Then you talk with him weekly, like he listen him, huh? After what he did, JK, I don't do anything. You, in front of my point of view, in front of his point of view. Jimin, Taeyang, and Yun. They all sit in the living room. I don't want to go, Yun, but you have to go, right, Jimin? Yeah, that's the problem, Jimin. Now don't think too much and focus on your packing. Yun, they don't even such us how much days it takes, Jimin. Now how we do the packing? You call Mr. Jimin, ask him. Jimin, yeah, he tell me. So what? He's our boss. He can tell us. Yunya asked him, Jimin, no, I will not. Yun dial someone number and he attend the call. The he do the call from Jimin number. Jimin asked why and Jimin, what you did, Yun? Yun talk with him. He sign him and he speak hello. Jimin heard the voice and he gulp. He hold the phone. Jimin, hello sir. Who are you, Yoongi? Jimin, I am Park. Jimin, sir, new intern. Yoongi, yeah. Jimin said, Jimin, sir, actually I want to ask you how much days it take. We stay there. Yoongi, you have any problem? Jimin, no, no, sir. I have to do. Yoongi, any problem with that? Jimin, no, no, sir. Just want. I was his sign to take such something. Jimin come. Jimin sir Chang is calling me. Yoongi, okay, bye. Jimin, bye, and she cut the call. His son in her life. Jimin 10 days. Yoon, yes. 10 days we do fun also. Yeah, we go out in office. We go out in night after working hour. Okay, we don't waste the vacations. Jimin, first you tell me you know the place. You on place? Yeah, where we go? As I know the places, maybe. He start to thinking. Jimin, leave it, guys. Let's do the packing. Yun, yeah, leave it. Jimin, take come. Okay, Jimin, 1 minute. I start the voiceover here also. Okay, it's so difficult. Yeah, now I start the voiceover also. Jimin, Tae, come and sit on the car, big. So you guys are ready. Jimin, we don't know anything, sir. Big, it's alright. Big, it's alright. It's alright. I don't know. Now I start the next voice. See this one. No, I am finding this. Huh? You don't regimen, thanks, sir. Big. It's our duty. And then Yoongi come and sit on the driving seat. Yoonhee do the breakfast driving. Jimin, why you both always ask for me? I don't know anything. If you want to know, then call him and ask him. He said and roll his eyes. Stay. May I ask you something, JK? Yeah, stay in mind. I know you ask me. We can Jungkook look at Jungi and Smig. Stay roll his eyes. Stay, sir. Yeah, why Hannah ma'am don't come? JK, I said her don't come. So if you guys give me permission, so we go. Jimin, how you didn't start the driving tree? Are you, huh? Jimin, Chakra, Yoongi see him through the mirror. JK, if you have planned to staying him, then I do the driving. I do the driving. He said, and Jimin, Yoongi roll his eyes. Yoongi, shut up, and he start the driving. Big eyes is on Yoon. Big. So guys, tell us something about you. Che said Yoon to speak. Yan, we three stay together in one house and we do study together also. We are cousins and our parents. JK, what? Jimin, yeah, they go in the trip. We also go with them and we are on the street playing. They go to meet someone and there's someone come and Jungi here to look at Jimin who is looking down. JK, what? How? Can someone? Young, we don't know. Young, JK, I'm sorry. He looked at Jay who's looking out. JK, we are sorry, but you guys don't even know him a little bit. Jimmy, no, we are kid on that time and playing. And then we go behind our parents and see them lay on the ground. They are talking and Jung is listening. He's a good listener. Whole conversation big. Okay, guys, change that topic now. I don't want they feel sad. Jun, it's alright. He passed him a smile. JK, where we reach? Young is still we have 3 hours for drive. Jimin still 3 hours. He make up our Chung in mind how much cute he is. He's just like a angel. JK still in his thoughts. His make answer Chungi. You want me to throw you out from the car? JK, I don't have any problem if you throw me. If you throw me entity out, Yoongi, no, I don't let you even talk with him. Don't wait, Jungkook. JK, dare to do something like this, Yoongi. I swear I will. Yoongi, then Yoongi, and then you go in the and you can't meet him. Okay, now me, JK, you big. What you both are talking? JK, yeah, he's in with someone. Big. What? Everyone eyes widen. Jimin, yeah, he's in with someone. Say, oh, we have one more. Was also big. What really with whom? JK, it's secret. She wink at Yoongi. Yungi, go and drink the water and buy for me also. JK, okay, guys, you want me to come? Yun, let's go. You want to come? Yun, let's go. I am tired by sitting in the car. Jimin. Jimin, come, let's go out. Jimin, you guys go. I am not in mood. Stay. Okay, sit here. We bring something for you. He nodded, and they, four of them go. Yoongi and Jimin are alone in the car. Yoongi see him from the front mirror. Jimin looking out, both really don't know how to talk with each other through the Yoongi thought to break the silence. Yoongi, from where you get my number? Jimin, huh? Yoongi, I asked something wrong. Jimin, no, Jungkook sir, give me your number. He said it's necessary. Every employer need to have his boss number. Yoongi, Jungkook said. Jimin nodded innocently. Yoongi, oh okay. Jimin, he did something wrong. Yoongi, no, he did. Right, and one more thing, Jimin, always take your phone on your parents. Jimin, it's alright. It's alright, sir. And now I learn how to stay alone. Yoongi, no, no one can learn. It's impossible. Jimin, it's possible. Sir, look at me. Look at us. Yoongi, one day someone also you, and then you realize no one can stay alone. Jimin, then the day never comes, sir. He said and chuckled sadly. Yoongi, it's me personal, but Jimin, if someone you can you accept him. Jimin, if he is loyal, sir, then yes. Yoongi, oh really? You don't even know him. Jimin, I have a long life to know him, but I know I will accept him because I never in my whole life I was so young on that time when my parents leave me. Yoongi understand Jimin's situation, how much he wants, and I don't know why he want to stay with him forever. He spent his life with him, Yoongi. Everything become alright, Jimin. Jimin, thank you so much, sir. And then Taehyun and Jungkook become here your water. He drink a little bit. JK, let's go now. We don't stop on the place. I'm tired. Yoongi, come and drive the car. JK, what? Yoongi, and why the wind? Can you thank God the picture change on that time? I am sleepy. They exchange their seats and Jungkook start drive. Jimin, he is driving. Okay, so what I do, Jimin enjoy. He said and tear all his eyes, big eyes is on Yun, and Yun can feel he is feeling shy. He is looking down. Jimin see Yun. Let him do whatever he wants. Maybe he is the one whom he want to in his life. Jimin, maybe we can't say anything to speak something, but Jimin speak. Jimin, listen. I want to tell you something. He said and explain him everything. His and Jungi conversation make off his Jimin. No, no, speak something. Don't make this type of face. Okay, he is in with you, huh? He Min Yoongi with me. Wow, nice joke, right? He said and fake smile and roll his eyes. Jimin, it's never gonna happen. It's happened. Jimin, let's see them. The whole journey passed like this. They do a lot of fun. Now they reach on their destination and now stand in front of the mansion and staying the moment with his widened eyes. Okay, only it's matter left. They all stand in front of the mansion. Jimin gulp. He take a step towards Yoongi because he stand beside him. Yoongi, are you okay, Jimin? Huh? Here we stay. He asked him. Both look into each other eyes like they are like a newly. Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, yeah, we stay here, Jimin girl. Jimin girl. Jimin, huh? Okay, okay. Oh, okay. To Jimin, JK, what happened? You choose the place to live. Youngi, JK, how you know? To give him clear because only Jungkook can choose this type of place. Youngi, what is this? Yeon, what is this big? No, Yeon, no way big. Let's see. Jimin, Yeon, I can't stay here. They speak together and they look at them. JK, but you guys have to. Now we don't have any option. Jimin, please don't. They come in the small living room. Wow, the place is so cute. Jay, how can a place is cute? Jimin, he become nothing else. They all sit on the couch and then the caretaker come. Caretaker, hello sir, Yoongi, he's the caretaker or Yun, he mumble and Jimin gulp. Jimin, don't make me scared. Also, Yun san, Jimin, shut up. Yoongi. Jimin Jun, you both are listen or not. Jimin, sorry sir, and this sign, caretaker, I cleaned the room for you. There are 6 rooms, Jimin. We want for everyone. Look at Jimin. Jimin, me, Tae, and Jun stay in the one room. JK, yes, Jimin is right. Yoongi, how can 3 persons stay in one room? Jimin, we stay here. We don't have any problem. Trust us. And then a man come and said them something. Caretakers, I am sorry, sir. I have a news. Yoongi, now what? Caretaker, as you know, the place is so safe, everything and secure. Also, so. Hmm. Okay. JK, I swear I don't know about the rule. J, I don't believe you. He said and give him clear. Yungi, guys, stop now. We have to think something big. I I think we have to pretend like because you know the project is so important for us. JK, yeah, and it's just for 10 days, he said, and Jay gave him clear. Jungkook girl, JK, it's your choice, guys. Jimin, I am ready. Yun, me too. Big, I am also. JK, me too. Yoongi, okay, I am also. Everyone look at Jay. Jay, if everyone is ready then I am also, but now how we stay at I don't stay with you, JK, no, you stay with me, and you beacon Jimin, he said intentionally to make Yoongi big. No, I stay with him, he said, make everyone shocked. Big, it's first sight, so Yeon looking down Yoongi, then let's go sign the agreement, and they sign the agreement. They give them the room keys. uh, Kisoya Jaina. They come in the room and see there is no couch in the room. Jimin sits on the edge of the bed. He is so tired. It's night time also, so they thought to meet tomorrow on the dining table for breakfast. Yoongi see the room. Yoongi, not bad. Jimin, we don't have couch. How we manage? Yoongi, it's alright. We will do. You don't worry. I will not do anything. He said, and Jimin, or Jimin, I just have trust. Yoongi, I understand, Jimin, and you also, and you don't try. You can trust me, Jimin. Thanks, Yoongi. He said, and Yoongi passed him a light smile. Yoongi, go and fresh up. You first. Jimin nodded and he goes, Yoongi, sit on the bed. Yoongi, huh, I don't know what I do. How I stay with him in one room. We don't have couch. Also, he said, and then he see a jug. He thought it's water. He poured in the glass. Yoongi, what is this? Wait, Jimin have habit whenever he takes shower he come out and he drink water. He see there is no water and also he see the Jimin, maybe this is the apple juice. He think and take a sip. He feel, but he placed the glass on the table. He almost two to three glass and now stand in front of the mirror. Uh, water drops are falling from his ears and he showing himself in the mirror and his eyes is dark. Jimin, what is happening with me? Suddenly, why I am feeling like this? He think, and then the door open. Yoongi enter in the room. Yoongi enter in the room, and the maid take the jug from there. Yoongi about to go, but he see Jimin didn't move from his place. Yoongi, Jimin, are you okay? But he didn't give him a reply. Yoongi, Jimin. He again called him and no reply. Then he thought to turn him and ask, keep turning. And Jimin direct the, his both hand Yoongi, Jimin. What happened? Yoongi's ओह गॉड, अब ये जो 2 मिनट है ना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, मुझे समझ नहीं आना मैं इस पर क्या वॉइस ओवर करूँ। और सिम्बा भी मेरे पास नहीं है कि मैं उसके साथ खेल लूँ और मेरा वॉइस ओवर पास हो जाए। फंस गई मैं बेचारी मासूम सी बच्ची क्या करूँ। Okay, he said Jung is shocked. No, Jimin is not. Yoongi, Jimin, listen, you are not well, so sleep. Jimin, why so soon, huh? It's not. Yoongi, Jimin, what are you saying? Yoongi sleep now, but Jimin didn't listen him. Okay, Yoongi, Jimin. हाँ, मेरा यूंगी भी मेरी तरह शरीफ तरीन इंसान है। Why it's so difficult? It's so It's so difficult to do voice over. Okay, 1 मिनट तो मेरा पास हो गया, फिर अब दूसरा मिनट। हाय अल्लाह, मेरा तो जिमिन सिम्बा सिम्बो रानी, मेरा सिम्बा मेरे पास होता तो मुझे किसी चीज़ की टेंशन ही नहीं होनी थी। ओपन इज टू बी कंटिन्यू। यहाँ मैं सिर्फ टू बी कंटिन्यू कह सकती हूँ, यहाँ मैं और कुछ नहीं कह सकती क्योंकि ये काम बहुत ख़राब है। हाय मेरा कमरा भी साफ़ करने वाला है, ताड़ी उथा बेचारी पागल होगी। टाइम 6:37, एक्सपोर्ट करते हुए 7 बज जाने हैं, 8 बजे का टाइमर लगाना पड़ेगा। टुडे वंस अगेन आई एम लेट, नथिंग एल्स। सो टेम्परेचर नाउ इज़ 45, 6 बजे 46 और 36 तक जाना है टेम्परेचर। तो यहाँ वेदर नहीं है, विंड 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर, वाह जी वाह। feels like 45 now and temperature is also 45। हवा चल तो नहीं रही, खैर चले। मेरा ये भी 1 मिनट पास हो ही गया चवले मारते हुए। मेरे दोस्त का स्टेटस